Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing, completely free AI image upscaler that'll blow your mind. Let's dive right in. First stop, this incredible website. Keep your eyes peeled for that download button in the top right corner. Click it, choose your OS, and let's get this party started. Once you've installed and fired up the app, prepare to be amazed. Not only can you upscale single images, but you can also batch process entire folders. Let's focus on a single image for now. I've chosen this video's thumbnail for a little meta magic. Now, here's where you become the artist. Select your upscaling model based on your needs. I'm going with the balanced option for that perfect sweet spot. Hit that Upscale button and watch the AI work its sorcery. While we wait, let's take a quick tour of the Settings tab. In Settings, you can personalize your experience. Switch up the app theme, optimize your output with PNG format, and fine-tune your upscale factor. 2x is my go-to for stellar results. Pro tip: if you've got a dedicated GPU, don't forget to update your GPU ID. You can even add custom upscaler models for that extra oomph. Voila! Check out this stunning enhanced image. Want to really appreciate the difference? Head to the Tools tab and play with viewing options. My personal favorite? The slider view. It's like before and after magic at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. This app lets you upscale to your heart's content, no limits, no restrictions. If this video helped level up your image game, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.